In this short video, I'll show you how to set up your Arsenal 2 Pro or Arsenal 2 Standard with your iPhone.
Before we get started, if you're working with one of the cameras listed here, then first, check out your camera's specific setup video linked below to make sure you have a few simple settings configured correctly to work with Arsenal. After that's finished, continue on with this video. Now, let's see what comes in the Arsenal box.
Along with the Arsenal device, you'll also receive a curly USB cable to connect Arsenal to your camera, as well as a long straight USB cable to charge your Arsenal. US and Canada customers also get a charger wall plug. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure that Arsenal is charged. To do that, I can simply plug the long USB cable into the wall plug, or even a USB power bank, or other powered USB port like on your computer or laptop, and plug that into the wall, and then simply plug the other side of this cable into either USB port on Arsenal. With Arsenal 2, you can use either USB port for charging and connecting to your camera. They are interchangeable. You can see that when I plug Arsenal in to charge, a small orange light on top illuminates to tell me it's charging. I can do the rest of this setup while Arsenal is charging, so let's keep moving. The next step is connecting Arsenal to my iPhone. To do that, I need to download the Arsenal 2 app onto my iPhone by searching for Arsenal 2 within the iPhone App Store. If you're upgrading from Arsenal 1, hey, thanks for upgrading, and make sure you're using the new Arsenal 2 app. While I'm downloading the app, I'll quickly mount Arsenal onto the camera's hot shoe with the LED bar facing to the back of the camera. Then I can connect Arsenal to the camera with the included curly USB cable. Alright, the Arsenal app is finished installing. I can turn on my Arsenal by briefly pressing the power button and then open the Arsenal app on my iPhone. On the connection screen, I can immediately see my new Arsenal. Mine is named Elegant Walrus 650. Nice. But each Arsenal ships with a unique name. Then I just tap Connect. The app prompts me to update to the latest firmware. Tap Update and let Arsenal do its thing. Just a little pro tip here, you don't need an internet connection to do firmware updates. As long as you have the latest version of the app installed on your iPhone, you're good to go. This update takes less than 2 minutes to complete. At this point, I can make sure my camera is on. Once it's finished, Arsenal will ask my permission to join its Wi-Fi network. I press join, of course, and that's it. You're ready to start shooting with Arsenal 2. When you're finished using Arsenal, briefly press the power button to turn it off, and don't forget to charge it before your next day of shooting. Visit the Arsenal Help Center at support.witharsenal.com if you run into any issues. And you can find even more tutorial videos at witharsenal.com/start.